Geography quiz question and answer part 4. Where can we find the longest border? Answer is between Canada and US. Yamuna is the tributary of. Answer is Ganges River. Where is the mountain Ararat located? Answer is Turkey. What is Sydney Harbour known for? Answer is largest steel arch bridge. What is the full form of LOC? Answer is line of control. Which country has the greatest difference between its highest and lowest temperatures? Answer is Russia. Where is the Blue Nile River located? Answer is Ethiopia. How many time zones does India have? Answer is 2. Where is the Rotterdam port located? Answer is Europe. Where is the highest annual rainfall recorded? Answer is Hawaii. Which is the largest city in Ireland? Answer is Dublin. Where is the longest vertical drop located? Answer is Mount Thor on Baffin Island. Which hemisphere does a majority of humans lives in? Answer is Northern Hemisphere. Which celestial body is wider than Australia? Answer is the Moon. Which English city did poet Matthew Arnold describe as the city of dreaming spires? Answer is Oxford. Which device measures the speed of wind? Answer is anemometer. Which is the country with the most number of islands? Answer is Sweden. Which is the second most populated country in the world? Answer is India. What is the national currency of Malaysia? Answer is Malaysian ringgit. Addis Ababa is the capital city of which African country? Answer is Ethiopia. What is the currency used in Singapore? Answer is Singapore dollar. 7 African continents begin with the letter M. Can you find and name all 7 countries? Answer is Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Mauritius, Morocco and Mozambique. Which one lies between Africa and Australia and South of Asia? Answer is Indian Ocean. Which country is the second largest in the world in terms of surface area? Answer is Canada. In which country is the holy cities of Mecca and Medina located? Answer is Saudi Arabia. Which is the country with the most number of borders? Answer is China. Where is the world's longest sea crossing? Answer is Hong Kong to Macau, China. Which is the world's longest country from north to south? Answer is Chile. Which are the north countries that share open borders? Answer is New Zealand and Australia. In which country does the river Nile meet the sea? Answer is Egypt. Which is the longest river in Asia? Answer is River Yangtze. What is the capital city of Malaysia? Answer is Kuala Lumpur. Which are the only 2 countries to have land border with US? Answer is Canada and Mexico. Which major oceans surround the continent of Africa? Answer is the Indian Ocean and the South Atlantic Ocean. What is the Earth's approximate water versus land coverage ratio? Answer is 71:29.